Make sure you give this channel a subscribe. There's lots of cool content coming up if you're into LS swaps and Coyote swaps. I got a couple of those coming up right away here. Maybe you can learn something. Maybe you can teach me something. Always up to learn. But you're not going to know what I'm uploading unless you subscribe. So let's get that done. You can also there's that bell button in the corner over there. Once you hit subscribe, that'll give you a notification pop up on your phone when I upload a video. Serbian power. All right, so I'm just headed to the shop here. Today I'm going to work on the bald beaver machine. For those of you that don't know where the bald beaver comes from, no pun intended there, of course. Cletus McFarlane always referred to his Corvette as the bald eagle machine because he's American. Well, I'm Canadian. In Canada we have beavers, so I call it the bald beaver machine. There. Going to get today some coolant lines made up. I'm hoping to get the VTEC solenoid on. That's a big milestone. Hoping to get the shifter installed, and we'll see where that goes. It's definitely more than a small amount of work there, and yeah, we'll go from there. It is a beautiful day in Canada today, and we're hoping to get lots done on the CRX. I know some of you are probably wondering why I got coolant lines rated for 2000 PSI on a system running 15 PSI. And the answer, ladies, is simple. I hate coolant leaks. That sun is bright, eh? Woo! I hate coolant leaks. Can't deal with them. So why not overbuild it, right? So today we're hoping to get those installed. We're hoping to get the fuel cell mounted. We're hoping to get the VTEC solenoid in. We're hoping to get a whole bunch of stuff done. Just looking at parts on the ground here. Coolant lines, VTEC solenoids, heater control, stuff like that. There's a whole bunch of stuff here we gotta get done. So with that said, oh, and the brake line, that's a big one. We're gonna hammer that out right now. All right, with that said, here we go. That's right. Probably check on Serge over here. He's working on the old the diff cover there. Cover up where we had to cut a hole to make room for the rear diff and remove the fuel tank. Check him out here. That's right. Getting the fuel cell all mounted here. Serge put under here. Yeah, some brackets across there. We're gonna weld them in yet too. Brackets across either way. And mounted the cell to those, so if we ever have to slam on our brakes, it doesn't hit us in the back of the heads. So that'd be awesome. That's right. What are you doing, Serge?
We're wrapping this exhaust because it's quite close to the brake lines.
Nice.
Yeah, and you guys can go check out that line.
Oh yeah, bud. That's right. Pretty good, pretty good. So got the heater valve installed here. The heater controls. Made a bracket for the brake system here. We've got the VVT solenoid on, or not VVT, VTEC solenoid on. Got our tunes pumping in the background. That's right. A bracket on there yet to hold all this shit. Getting couplers today. They're done. Got our 2000 PSI cooling lines ready to go. So back apart again here. Anybody who's done a build like this probably knows that it's 2 steps forward, 1 step backwards. So took it apart and we decided we'd tuck the harness a little different here. Put that bracket there. We got this all tucked up around the starter here just to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, we've got our heater lines in here. We've got, we built that bracket there I'd mentioned. Things are cruising along. We do have to get our adapter installed here. That is our hydraulic to cable clutch adapter from House Sport. So we gotta get that installed yet. But cruising along. Shifter's installed. Well, sort of, we gotta get the console done, but nice short shifter. Feels like a race car. I like that. Boot on. I think we'll call her good on this one. That's a tremendous amount of work for what doesn't look like a tremendous amount of work. Make sure you subscribe. I got more videos coming up of this thing, and then we're going to take her out and release the bald beavers and kick some ass on some high horsepower cars. This thing's only going to be about 500-ish horsepower. I might push it to 600 and see if we can put a window in the block, see what happens. But until then, keep your stick on the ice, as Red Green would say.